It's summer break and major projects are taking place across Weslaco ISD. It's all in connection to the $160 million bond voted and passed by the public 3 years ago.
We just want to thank the public for the patience with this and to reassure them that we're moving forward with all this work and not going to stop until we utilize all the funds in the bond.
B. Garza Middle School is getting the most work done right now with 3 big projects. Air conditioning work is getting done in the classrooms along with a complete roof replacement. Students and staff will also see a complete renovation to the restrooms. A portion of the wall on the west side of campus is being demolished to make appropriate space for a new restroom.
To meet the required number of restrooms and stalls per code to match the enrollment of the campus, so there had to be an addition of gang restrooms, and that was decided to be added in the cafeteria space.
Over at Margot Elementary, all students' restrooms are receiving a complete overhaul.
We have new wall tile being installed. We got new lighting for your kids, new plumbing fixtures going in as well. And we got this going on throughout the whole school.
In the 300 wing, right by the cafeteria, a classroom is converted into a brand new restroom.
That was to meet the code required number of restrooms per the enrollment that the campus has.
A roof project is also taking place at the center section of the school, which impacts the cafeteria, kitchen, administration office, and library.
And that was done because the center section area still had, live usage out of it that we needed to take advantage of and not to impact the budget. Got Mary Hogue also under construction and Central Middle School.
A big air conditioning project just wrapped up at Cuellar Middle School. They replaced chillers, pumps, chilled water lines, and all cooling systems for the band hall. A number of facilities, including our studios at K-West, received AC control upgrades. More air conditioning projects are underway.
We've got Central Middle School, we've got Mary Hogue, we've got East High School as well. That are going to be starting fairly soon.
K-West will continue to follow bond projects across WISD and keep the public posted. For K-West TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.